Lesson 6 by Chess Achieves. This lesson is about good sportsmanship and social norms in chess. Many chess matches start by shaking hands. We'll always use our right hand, extending it out vertically with your thumb pointing up, grasp your opponent's hand firmly, and wish them well or good luck. It might seem odd to wish your opponent well for a competitive sport such as chess, but in chess, a handshake is a commitment to play honorably and to the best of your ability. Next, we need to consider the venue where this chess match might be played. At a coffee shop, a bookstore, or school classroom might be a very social occasion, and talking during the match is usually accepted. But at a chess tournament, in general, talking should be kept to an absolute minimum. Check, pointing out check to your opponent, is a courtesy in chess and is not required by USCF rules. Just a reminder though, if you touch a piece and then realize you're in check, you have to use the piece that you touched to stop check. You can certainly offer a draw to your opponent. You may need to ask a tournament director for a ruling, or you could be counting to the 50 move rule if you're trying to get a draw by 50 moves, or pointing out repetition of a position if you're not taking notation. During the course of a game, if you do need to make a comment, your comments should be very positive in nature. Comments like, good game, great move, are very common things you will hear in chess matches. If your opponent should be making negative comments, try to counsel them by saying that's poor sportsmanship. If they continue, you can actually protest to the tournament director. After a game, you or your opponent may offer to review the game, simply by asking, let's go over our game, or would you like to review our game? Typically that's done in a different area at a tournament, and not at the tournament table, as not to disrupt the other players. Finally, we want to discuss a few things not to do at a tournament. Singing or tapping pieces during your opponent's turn is not acceptable. Do not comment on other people's games. The game is between those players. Do not point out clock concerns to either player. Do not eat loud foods or drinks by other players. In summation, following the rules of good sportsmanship and social norms in chess will help you get more out of your chess game. Stronger players will be more inclined to review games with you after the game if you followed regular social norms during the game. Improving your game is an extremely important part of chess, and trying to understand where your opportunities to improve work.